Hi, everyone. This is James Patrick from the Forum Celebrity Podcast. I'm Florence, Carmela, and I wanted to give you an update on the extremely awesome cross-examination that Johnny Depp's lawyers gave to Amber Heard. Now, Florence and I have crazy schedules, but we're always talking about things that we do on the show. We're always giving notes and information. So she's a part of every show. It's just she can't be here all the time. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So make sure you see all her great stuff on Twitter and TikTok and Instagram. She's doing an amazing job, but I always miss her when she's not here, but she always kicks butt, and she misses you guys too. But thank you all for your kind support. It really does mean a lot to us. Let's get started. 2 words, Elon Musk. When Amber Heard divorced and broke up with Johnny Depp, she started a relationship with Elon Musk. Now, the reason why Johnny Depp is suing Amber Heard was an op-ed that was done by the Washington Post in December of 2018. Now the scandal has been revealed. The ACLU wrote this op-ed. They came to Amber Heard, and because she wanted to do all this stuff, they said, let's do something on this. Let's say Johnny Depp abuse you and we'll support you, because the Me Too movement and all this stuff was very popular at that time, very hot. Amber Heard said, let's go for it. She did the op-ed. And what's really funny is when it came out in December of 2018, what movie came out that month? Aquaman. So many people feel that the ACLU did this as PR with her because the movie was going to be a blockbuster. They wanted the PR for being connected with her and having the support of supporting her through this bad thing that had occurred to her by Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp went nuts. Now, in 2018, in February 1st, Johnny Depp paid the last part of the $7 million settlement. Now, Amber Heard went on worldwide TV everywhere, telling everyone and anyone that she was not a gold digger. I got this $7 million from Johnny Depp, and I'm giving it away. I'm giving it to the ACLU, and I'm giving it to the LA Children's Hospital. Okay, that shuts people up. That's a cool thing to do. Problem is, it never happened. For 13 months after Johnny Depp gave her the last payment, she had a chance to give the money. She was supposed to immediately start payments after she got the last payment. She never started any. In 2017, she gave $350,000 to the ACLU. Later on, when Rolling Stone magazine checked out the ACLU's records, there's not even a record of a $350,000 donation from her in any way. Rumors that she never gave them any money. Now, Elon Musk, he didn't want anyone to know. He gave an anonymous donation to the ACLU of $500,000 in her name through Vanguard. Well, ACLU knew this had to be from her and him, so they contacted both of them. We love you, you love us, blah, 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 kumbaya. Elon Musk gave another payment of $350,000 through Vanguard anonymously. Then after Musk and Heard broke up, he never gave another payment. And if you know now, Elon Musk has bragged several times that he's the biggest person that gave a donation to the ACLU ever. Musk loves attention and he loves credit. That's just how he is. Now here's the dirty part. Musk did it anonymously because he didn't want people thinking that he had given her the money. It's kind of embarrassing because, especially after they broke up, Musk has been asked to be a witness in this trial by both parties, and he says, I'm not going to do anything. I'm not showing up. I'm not coming. And when you're ultra rich, you could hide out. A regular person can't, obviously, because you got to work or you got to come home. And that's what he's doing. So he's going to hide out until the trial's over. He said, I'm not going to be a witness. He doesn't want to be embarrassed. He doesn't want to look bad. And he doesn't want to be a part of this scandal. The ACLU, before they admitted that they only had $1.3 million from Amber Heard, said that she had paid the whole thing. They had done it for months and said that. They even said it in the trial, in the UK trial. And so did Amber Heard. So they committed perjury. What's funny, too, is that they destroyed Johnny Depp, saying he was an abuser and all this thing. And what's the ACLU's big thing? Due process. We believe that human beings are innocent until proven guilty, except for Johnny Depp when it comes to PR from an Aquaman movie, I guess. Dirty. Now, another thing that happened is that when they kept asking her, did you make this donation? Did you make this donation? She told her lawyer no. She told Depp's lawyer, yes, I did. And she said, well, I think pledging and donating is synonymous. Those words are synonymous. And she said, no. Pledge is a promise and a donation is an action of giving a gift of financial or whatever. So it's ridiculous how combative she gets when she thinks you're not on her side. When you don't kind of are fluff with her and telling her whatever she wants, she is just so offensive and combative and difficult. And that's going to be her downfall. I think Depp's lawyers are just going to destroy her. Now, Amber Heard's fans have said, well, how do you know she's lying? Well, first of all, it's easy. 4 different times she said Johnny Depp really beat her up. Well, what happened those times is that the night after, they had to go out in public. They had to go to galas, the New York Met Gala, I guess, Metropolitan Gala. They had to go to Don Rickles' Appreciation, this big black tie stuff. And so you get tons of pictures taken of you. They showed pictures of Amber and they said, do you have pictures of you being injured? She said, no, I don't think I took any. And then she said, well, I gave my lawyer everything I had, but it's not my job to show these pictures. I wish I could show them, but it's not my job to show these pictures. I mean, just ridiculous, evasive argument. Just ridiculous. But anyway, they had the pictures. She said, we want to see them. So the Depp's lawyer showed them. She looked fine. She said one time, because he has all these rings, he just kept busting her in the face, hitting her in the nose, hitting her in the face. If you have rings on and you're a man that's 50 pounds heavier, you are going to destroy her. The next night, they took pictures of her. There was no swelling in the nose. They asked her why. She said makeup. So the lawyer said, how in the heck does makeup stop the swelling? She says, well, it's not makeup, it's ice. If you put the ice on quick, it will take away the inflammation. Well, she told her lawyer, when her lawyer asked the same thing, she told her lawyer, it won't take away the inflammation, but it'll help it if you put ice on quick. Are you kidding me? And you mean to tell me that a man hitting you with rings in your face over and over again and the next night you look fine? Yes, she's lying. She's also lying to the doctor. 2 days after one of these incidents, she went to the doctor. Doctor never saw a thing. She said, well, he didn't chart that he saw anything because I didn't talk about it. Well, that's a lie, because I've been in the medical field a long time. You chart what you see. You chart what you hear. And if you see something that might be abuse or anything else, you legally have to chart that. You legally have to say something. So there's no way in the world that a doctor is going to put his license in danger, or a RN or respiratory therapist or whoever, by just leaving stuff out. Now, the transcriber made a mistake calling her a man instead of a woman, and she got all uptight about that, saying, look, there's tons of mistakes in that. But no, that's just a lazy transcriber. Another chart came in from her psychiatrist RN, and the RN said that Amber said she was bipolar, she was all this other stuff, codependent, all these syndromes and all these mental illnesses, and she wrote it down, and then Amber said, nope, never said those things. I mean, I'm sorry. A medical professional is not going to just make up stuff or write stuff. You can get sued for that. And the one thing we learned in school first day was CYA. You chart everything, and if you didn't chart it, it wasn't done. So those are the things that you learn. So those are ridiculous. So when they first started, Amber Heard was taking a little bit of responsibility. She was saying, gosh, we fought. We were both abusive to each other. And now it's just, she's changed her story. Now she's just total innocent victim, and he's the abuser. She did nothing wrong. She was fine. She protected herself and all this other stuff. And it's just a joke defense. It's ridiculous. But jurors, some of them aren't the sharpest knives in the drawer. So, I mean, let's be real. OJ's still walking around. So, I mean, it just gets scary when you go to a jury, because you don't know what's going to happen. But boy, we are not Team Amber. We are not Team Johnny. We are Team Truth. We don't sit here and do things because we want views, or do things. We tell the truth. And if you guys want to hear it, you hear it. If you don't, you don't. But that's what we're about. We want honesty. We want truth. And I've seen some liars. And we have a society in the last 6 years that lying is okay to a lot of people. In fact, habitual liars like Amber Heard, that I think she is, when you lie so much, you start believing your own lies. And that's what happens. And some of her followers have really gotten tied up into all that and her nonsense, because she went from being an abuser and him abusing her to now she's perfectly innocent, and he's just evil, a monster. which she called him today. We will keep you abreast with this. This is going to be absolutely crazy stuff. It's the little things that I think are fascinating, the way she talks to her lawyer compared to the way she talks to Johnny Depp's lawyer, but we'll keep you posted. Take care. Florence and I hope you guys have an amazing week. Be safe out there.